Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn Now, your learning partner. In this video we will learn foreign key constraints in depth. If you're new to SQL, you may have heard the term foreign key thrown around a lot, but what exactly is a foreign key, and why is it important? Well, simply put, a foreign key is a column or a group of columns in a table that refers to the primary key of another table. Let's say we have two tables, one for department and one for employee. The department table has a primary key column for each department, while the employee table has a foreign key column that references the department's primary key. This relationship ensures that each department is associated with the correct employee and helps to maintain data integrity in our database. But that's not all. Foreign keys also play a vital role in enforcing referential integrity, which is essential for maintaining the consistency and accuracy of our data. When a foreign key is defined, the database management system ensures that any values inserted into the foreign key column must match a primary key value in the reference table. This helps to prevent orphaned records and other data inconsistencies that can lead to errors and data corruption. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced SQL developer, understanding foreign keys is critical for building robust and reliable databases. So let's create foreign key. This is the query to create foreign key while creating new table. But first you need create a primary key before adding a relation of foreign key to a table, otherwise it will throw an error. This is the query for adding a foreign key to an existing table. But first you need create a primary key before adding a relation of foreign key to a table, otherwise it will throw an error. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in understanding foreign key constraints in SQL. I'll see you in the next one.